Hello everybody and welcome to another super quick Photoshop tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen your photo in general and only sharpen parts of your photo and create a Photoshop action out of it. So let's get right into it. So the first thing that we're going to go over is how to generally sharpen your photo, and you're going to create a new layer with Command and J, and then go up here to Filters, Other, and then High Pass. And then you can have, this looks a little bit crazy right now, but trust the process on this one. You can do anything from like 2 to 200, and this obviously looks really crazy. But we're just going to stick with 10 right now because that's kind of an okay thing to look. I'm just going to do it like a little bit over the top right now so you can actually see the difference. But yeah, just experiment with however much you want. We're going to use 10 and then go to the settings here and go to soft light. And that's already it. We're going to zoom in here. And as you can see, this makes your photo look a lot sharper. But this one's like kind of just overall. If you just want to sharpen the photo in general, obviously you can never sharpen a completely like out of focus photo. So make sure to always have your focus on point while you're shooting. But this is just like if you want to give it that little like pop, you can just sharpen it like this. All right. And then let's get into the next option, which is to create a Photoshop action. So you're going to go over to Actions. And you're going to call it, let's call it action 1. I don't care, wherever. And it's going to be in here. Then you record here. This is already started anyway, so you're going to create a new layer. Again, go to Filter, Other, and then High Pass. And then in this case, we're going to actually, let's do 25. So you can actually really see it looks crazy. Again, trust the process. Then hit OK. Then we're going to go to Soft Light again and create a mask, and then we're going to fill this with black with this tool right here so that it's basically not showing. And then we're gonna stop recording the action, this one right here. I'm gonna save this. All right, and then how you can actually sharpen only parts of your photo is you're going to use the brush and go to the white color down here and just paint over anything that you want to sharpen. Let's say you want to sharpen the eye here and the eyebrow. Zoom out, and before and after it's sharpened. Perfect, super easy. Then let's delete this, and then if you want to like not completely build this from scratch every single time, you got your action here, you just click on play, and then you got your action, and then you can use the white brush, and then you can paint over it. Let's do the eye again, whatever, like so, and then you have it saved and sharpened and everything. And so this is like a super quick way to sharpen your image, create a Photoshop action, and only sharpen parts of your image. Super quick tutorial, but I don't want to keep this, like drag this out any longer. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something from it. If you have any other super specific questions, please leave them in the comments below, or you can follow along on Instagram. I'll put my handle up on the screen, and I hope to see you in one of my next tutorials. Bye!